A8010 and A8810 series sugarcane harvesters. Turning on the battery master switch. A8010 and A8810 series sugarcane harvesters are equipped with a battery master switch. It is located near the battery compartment on the right-hand side of the machine. Safety recommendations. Rule 1. Whenever you stop or perform repairs on the harvester, turn off the master switch. Caution: before you turn off the master switch, wait until the AFS monitor shuts down, so that the electronic modules can shut down completely. This will also ensure that all information is saved and no fault codes appear. Rule 2. When you perform electrical welding work on the frame or harvester components that cannot be done outside of the machine, first disconnect the battery cables, always starting with the negative pole. Caution: after you disconnect the battery cables and before you commence welding, consult your Case IH dealer to ground the harvester properly. This prevents damage to the components and systems. When you reconnect the cables, always start with the positive pole. This prevents damage to the harvester electronics. How to turn the battery master switch on and off. Lift the cover. The decal 3 shows the positions of the master switch: 0 off and 1 on. Turn the handle to shut down or turn on the harvester's electrical system. When you turn on the master switch, a signal will sound. Lower the protective cover. This video does not replace the operating manuals.